If you're thinking if it's worth waiting for the Samsung Galaxy S24 or buying a phone now, the S23 had some offers over Black Friday and Cyber Week. Samsung normally releases its phones in late January or early February, making it the first big phone release of the year. We should anticipate the Galaxy S24 family to come around that time, including a high-end model like the S24 Ultra. In previous years, Samsung has been at the forefront of launching Qualcomm chipsets, but this year, Xiaomi 14 in China has already adopted Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. We anticipate that certain variants of the Galaxy S24 will use Qualcomm's newest fast platform, while others may use Exynos chipsets. The camera is also likely to improve, however Samsung may move its emphasis away from stressing extreme zoom capabilities. The battery is unlikely to grow in size. However, we can undoubtedly look for improvements that will increase the phone's battery life. There's also a report that Samsung may employ titanium on some or all of the Galaxy S24 variants, maybe to support the frame. What more can you anticipate in terms of hardware upgrades? Honestly, it doesn't matter, and it's not why you should wait. If Samsung decides to incorporate the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, they will have a platform equipped with an integrated neural engine ready to support advanced machine learning capabilities. During Qualcomm's presentation, they showcased some of the possibilities that the new Snapdragon offers, but it will ultimately be up to developers and manufacturers like Samsung to bring these AI features to life. Samsung has already released a language model that will be included in their phones, signaling their commitment to integrate AI capabilities in light of the present industry trend in which all major technological companies are emphasizing AI. It is logical to expect that Samsung will include AI capabilities on their devices in order to remain competitive in terms of AI is likely to play a part in future smartphones, and having a handset like the Galaxy S24 with the required components to run advanced software would be extremely desired. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.